how digital media publishers can survive and thrive for the next 25 years. The publishing landscape has dramatically shifted, and traditional monetization methods have evolved significantly. Publishers today grapple with declining direct traffic, evolving social media dynamics, and increasingly fragmented audience attention. To thrive in this challenging digital ecosystem, publishers must embrace new strategies emphasizing quality content, innovative monetization, and community engagement, maintaining competitive advantage through quality content. Historically, publishers adhered to a straightforward approach: build great content, and audiences naturally followed, primarily driven by effective SEO practices. However, the current digital environment is dominated by aggregator platforms and social media networks that effectively gatekeep content visibility. To counter this, publishers have often turned to sensationalism, leaning heavily on opinion and editorial pieces to drive unique engagement. Moving forward, sustainable differentiation must be rooted in high-quality, accurate, and deeply engaging content. Publishers who invest significantly in original reporting, factual accuracy, and journalistic integrity will establish themselves as trusted brands. In an era increasingly inundated with misinformation, a reputation for reliable and authoritative content is a formidable competitive advantage that cannot easily be replicated by aggregators or AI-generated content. Strategic investment in distribution and monetization technologies. Today's users interact primarily through mobile devices and social media platforms, reducing reliance on traditional desktop publishing. Publishers must adapt by using strategic content distribution methods, such as providing engaging excerpts on social media to entice audiences toward their core platforms. This approach offers potential subscribers a sample of content value before requesting subscription commitments. Publishers can leverage nuanced monetization strategies like metered paywalls, which allow limited free access to premium content. This model has proven successful by providing audiences with a tangible demonstration of value, thereby increasing conversion rates to paid subscriptions. Immediate and inflexible paywalls, conversely, discourage potential subscribers who prefer to understand content value prior to making financial commitments, enhancing engagement through community building. One of the most transformative strategies for publishers in the next decades will be community building. With users craving genuine connection and meaningful interactions, publishers that foster vibrant, interactive communities around their content will gain significant advantages. Forums, interactive comment sections, live discussions, and integrations with platforms like Discord can transform passive content consumption into active community engagement. Reducing intrusive advertising enhances the user experience, improving audience loyalty, and increasing time spent on site. Publishers who create clean, intuitive, and user-friendly interfaces will not only drive deeper engagement, but can also command higher rates for advertising placements. Advertisers increasingly seek targeted, engaged audiences, communities that publishers can cultivate through thoughtful content and interactive experiences. Future-proofing publishing through community and engagement. While maintaining competitive content and embracing advanced monetization tools are essential, community building remains uniquely resilient against disruption from social media or generative AI. Authentic, engaged communities cannot be easily replicated or appropriated. They represent a robust foundation for sustainable revenue growth and enduring reader loyalty. Publishers embracing this holistic approach: quality content, intelligent distribution, innovative monetization, and vibrant community engagement will not merely survive, but thrive in the rapidly evolving digital landscape over the next 25 years.